Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go to the problem. Here we have a table of values for x and f of x. The table above shows some values for the function f. If f is a linear function, what is the value of a plus b? Okay, when we have the graph of a function like f of x on the xy plane, so this f of x represents a y coordinate. So instead of f of x, we can even consider y. Okay, now what we can do is we can find the slope of this linear function f using the points we have in the table. Okay, now let me consider the first point we have over here, that is 0 comma a, and the second point 1 comma 12. Okay, here we can consider this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Now we can use the formula to get slope of a line when 2 points are given. The formula is m equals to y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. Okay, here we can now plug in the values for y2, y1, x2, x1. The value of y2 is 12, negative y1 is a, and x2 is 1, x1 is 0. Then we get m equals to 12 negative a divided by 1 negative 0 is just 1. Then we get m equals to 12 negative a. Okay, here I got the slope of the linear function f. Okay, now let me get the slope of the linear function f again using the second point and third point. Here I got this slope using the first 2 points. Now I'm going to find the slope of the same linear function using the second point and third point. Okay, now let me write the second point over here. That is 1 comma 12, and third point is 2 comma b. Let me consider this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Again, we can use the same formula, that is y2 negative y1 divided by x2 negative x1. M equals to the value of y2 is b and value of y1 is 12, and the value of x2 is 2 and x1 is 1. M equals to b negative 12 divided by 1. M equals to b negative 12 divided by 1 is b negative 12. Okay, here I got the slopes of the linear function f in two ways. So the first time I used the first point and second point. Second time I used the second point and third point. Okay, so for a linear function f, always the slope at any point on the graph will be same. So here the slope what we got using the first 2 points and the slope what we got for using the next 2 points must be equal because of f is a linear function. So this one and this one must be equal. So we can equate them. When I equate them, I am getting 12 negative a equals to b negative 12. Okay, here we can add 12 to both sides of this equation and also add a to both sides of the equation. This negative 12 positive 12 will cancel out, and here negative a positive will cancel out. Here when we combine positive 12 and positive 12, I am getting positive 24. On the right side when we combine these two, I am getting a positive b. Okay, here I got the value of a positive b, it is 24. We find 24 in answer choice A. The correct answer choice for this question is A.